Jiangmen Degol Hardware Co., Limited. The company is located in Jiangmen, Guangdong Province, China. Is an enterprise specializing in the export of hardware products. Founded in 2012. We have a top-notch professional team, coming from diverse fields, and dedicated to forging new developments in global trade. Degol Hardware mainly sells a wide range of hardware products, including door hardware, furniture hardware, glass door hardware, bathroom accessories, and other accessories. Product categories up to more than 300 kinds. More than 10 product patents. Degol Hardware mainly develops customers online and offline. Products are exported to more than 80 countries around the world. Our products are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to maintain. Our company's products are designed for both residential and commercial use, and they are used in a variety of applications, including hotels, apartments, office buildings, and homes. Their products are known for their sleek and modern design, which makes them a popular choice among architects, furniture and door manufacturer, builders, Amazon new retailer. Degol Hardware is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service.